In automobile, bell crank system is used for many purpose. Do you know why some big trucks uses this type of mechanical arm linkages with its suspension system? This is a bell crank mechanism. A bell crank basically changes mechanical motion through an angle. Like, this bell crank piece is pivoted at point A, now one rod linked at point B, and another rod linked at point C on this plate. If this rod is pushed, then crank bar rotates around the pivot point. As a result, this rod connected at B will be pushed sideways. This is a multi-axle truck. One axle at front, and two axles are at rear. These rear axles are close to each other within 2 meters. These type of two adjacent axles are called tandem axle. Front axle has 2 wheels, and each rear axle has 4 wheels, 2 on each side. Let's say this truck has a gross vehicle weight of 25 ton. Let's assume the truck is fully loaded, and front axle taking 5-ton load. And 2 rear axles is supporting remaining 20-ton load. Semi-elliptical leaf spring connects axle to the chassis frame. Here 2 bell cranks are pivoted on the chassis after each wheel. Here, first rear axle's leaf spring shackle is connected with first bell crank. Then a connecting rod links these 2 bell cranks. And second bell crank's other end is connected with the second rear axle's spring shackle. Same mechanical setup is done on the other side. This bell crank setup distributes rear load equally on both axles. For a moment, let's consider there are no bell crank setup between these 2 rear axles. Let's say if first rear wheel's a speed bump and tires run over it, then second axle will try to go up with the chassis. As a result, second rear axle's wheel tires might lose contact with the ground. At this moment, total load will fall on the first rear axle, which is not good for a fully loaded vehicle. But because there is a bell crank setup present at both sides, first rear axle's upward motion will push the first bell crank. This will push the connecting rod, and second bell crank turns backward, pushing this second rear axle down. So, second rear axle's wheel remains in contact with the road. Thus total weight remains distributed between these 2 axles. If you found this video interesting, please give it a like and share this video. And subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.